Welcome, I'm Arif and this is Technology Han. In this video we will import asset for the first time to the first project. Before starting we have to understand that what is asset in Unity. Asset is an item that you can use in your game or project. An asset may come from a file created outside of Unity, such as a 3D model, an audio file or an image, or any kind of file that Unity can support. There are also some asset types that you can create with Unity, such as an animator controller, audio mixer, or render texture. One thing, don't forget the advice. Watch, then do. Watch, then do. So let's start creating.
Now everything is ready. So we will add assets, assets to our projects. We will go to browser and will type create with code prototype 1 drain simulation. Enter. Go to assetstores.unity.com. Click on this. Now we will click on add to my asset. Click on open in Unity. A small pop-up comes, so click on open Unity editor. Connecting to asset store. Now we will click on import. It will take a little bit time, so hold on. The Unity package is package manager dependency install upgrade. Now we will import all libraries, all files, so make sure it that all boxes is checked. Click on import. Now the asset is imported. If we go to the project window and click on the code and the scene, here you will see two scenes, prototype 1 and sample scene. The sample scene is that one, right? You are seeing. So we will click on this and right click and we will delete this one. Now click on prototype 1. Save. Now look at the prototype 1. We have road, and if we click, right click and drag, we will see different things in this. We have mountains, we have skies with stars and moons. After this, we will add vehicle to the scene. Since we are making a driving simulator, we need to add our own vehicle to the scene. In the project window, open Assets, Course Library, Vehicles, then drag a vehicle into the hierarchy, like click on the course library, then click on the vehicles. There are different vehicles. You can check from here. It is tank, bus, car, Datsun or something else. Don't know what is this. So I like that friend. We will click on this and will drag to the hierarchy window. After this, we need to add obstacles and reposition it. So the next thing our game need is an obstacle. We need to choose one and position it in front of the vehicle. Go to the course library, that is course library, make sure it. Then click on obstacles. We will close this and we'll click on obstacles. So now there are different kinds of obstacles: barrel 2, carrot, prop, spool 2. What is this? Drum, carrot. So I like that one and we will drag it to the hierarchy. In the inspector, for your obstacle, if we click on the obstacle, look at the inspector. Transport component, click the J icon, reset position. We will click on reset. So we reset the position of an obstacle. In the inspector, we will change the XYZ location to 0, 0 and to 5. After this, in the hierarchy, we will rename our two objects as vehicle and obstacle. So we will right click on this and rename it to obstacle. Then click on this and right click. Also we can change the name of object from here like this, vehicle. Now we add vehicles and obstacles to our scene views. Look at this. If I change the view, we will use hand tool to make it. This is our vehicle object and this one is an obstacle. Now an obstacle is out of scene. So click on obstacle, double. It will come in zoom. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.